Hi, my name's Mark and welcome to Membership Websites. So Brilliant Directories released a new feature recently where you can move this section up into this section alongside the menu. Let me just show you how you can do that just in case you're not familiar with that. If you go to Settings and Design Settings, we're looking to go to the header design and we want to scroll down and we want to go to the header search section. So this is for your mobile view settings. Header search, and we want to compact on mobile view. So if we select that and then save, we go back here, we can see that this section will move up here. We'll just refresh this and you can now see that the search icon is appearing here. Now, what you can do as well is you can add wording to these sections as well. I'll just show you briefly just with the menu. So you've got your menu icon up here, but you might want to make that clear that that is a menu on mobile phone display. So to do that, simply go to settings and then text labels. And then if you type in mobile, then you will see, in actual fact, this is the first one that's come up. You will see that it's using an I class just in here, and you can add the word menu simply just by doing that. Save and then refreshing that, and you can see that it's there as menu. What we'll do as well is we're just going to add some, just going to strengthen the text a little bit. So we're just going to add some brackets. So bracket on one side, a B, and then close it. And then we're going to close off that bold statement just by putting the brackets there on the other side. And we're simply using a single letter B and B. And then when you save that and refresh that, it will just make it a bit stronger, the wording, and it will help people locate the menu a little bit more easier on the mobile phone display. I hope you found that useful, and thanks for watching.